Hey, this is Jason Hopkins, and in this video, I want to talk about the missing piece to affiliate marketing that you're going to need to succeed. Now, before I begin, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future content that I provide you. Now, as you embark on this journey as a digital entrepreneur, it's important for you to remember that affiliate marketing is not easy in the beginning, right? Especially if you're not on a fixed mindset. So if you don't believe in yourself and if you're not spending enough time working on yourself and learning new skill sets, then what you're doing is not going to work. So you need to stop believing that there's an overnight success. I feel that the missing piece to affiliate marketing is when you're not getting enough value, you're not getting enough over-the-shoulder support when you join an affiliate program, right? And what usually happens is when you feel like the system is not working for you, it's not providing you enough value, then ultimately you're going to end up quitting, right? So it's important for every company to create some kind of customer loyalty by offering you like a one-on-one consultation to ensure like retention, and buying into these programs that make bold promises that, hey, you can start making money while you sleep effortlessly, fast. That's bullshit. So, these programs should provide you more educational value instead of creating more confusion and more stress. You're trying to build a business, because most of these leaders are probably telling their downline, well, just Google the information, and that just won't do. And this leaves new members wondering, and it has them buying more tools that they don't know how to use, because there's no follow-up system. Now, all the frustration that you might be going through right now, it ends right now, because I'm going to offer you a free consultation on Telegram. And what I'll do is, if you're stuck with like email marketing, I'll look over your work. I'll look over everything that you're doing with your business. But it doesn't stop there. You're going to also get my free manual that's going to teach you how to stand out from the rest. Now, this education is something that was taught to me by multiple six-figure earners, and it's going to be yours once you decide to position yourself to receive it. Now, there's going to be a link below this video where you're going to be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and email. And plus, in addition to that, you're going to receive my special bonus. So I trust you got value from this video, and if so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.